All right, so another cool thing that we added to save you time is if you're using the Mailhouse letterprinting.net, which is the Mailhouse we currently use to print our neutral letters. As you might know, they require you to have a template file. Now, in the past, you had to build that template file from scratch manually. We had a user guide article that walked you through it, but it was a little bit of a process. And so in this release, we actually built in a little template generator for you for letterprinting.net. So the way to access that is to click on your generate documents up at in the bulk section up here. You want to click on generate documents, and you'll notice that there is some icon changes, but everything looks pretty standard. We did add this little help tooltip right next to the prospect neutral letter row here. And again, I'm under the generate land documents section. We do not have this yet on the house side. But if you hover over this little tooltip, you'll notice that it says here that you can generate the letterprinting.net template files. So what you're going to want to do is click on this generate prospect neutral letter template. Down at the bottom, if you're using Chrome like I am, it's going to create this PDF for you. And this is the PDF that you can send on to letterprinting.net. So it has everything in there, has the merge fields that they require. It's got all your content in there and your signature and all that kind of good stuff. So the same thing goes for the envelope. You just click on this tooltip again. It pops up with this little notation. You're going to click on generate envelope template. And again, this is going to be the one that letterprinting.net uses. If you're using a different print house, they might require something different. So it doesn't necessarily work on other print houses, but since this is the one that we use and recommend currently, we went ahead and added it as a generator. You can see here it puts all the merge fields properly in this file, so you can just go ahead and save it to your computer, the PDF to your computer, and then when you create an order with letterprinting.net, you just go ahead and upload these two template files along with your CSV file, which is right here. So again, every single time that you do an order, you're going to send them 3 files. You're going to send them the current CSV file. This is going to contain all your data for your mailing list for that particular campaign. And then these 2 template files, which you can now generate on the fly.